Let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is sitting at 1800. I'll tell you exactly where it is sitting with the 1800. It actually went and hit 1900. Right now it's loading. I'll show it to you. It's 1902 right now. So the overall situation of Ethereum is going well. Last time when I updated Ethereum, it was holding on to 1750. Created one top, second top. This was the neckline. There were no body candles below it. They're just wicks. But to lose an area, I have always told you that you need to have 2 daily candles with their bodies under that area. Only after that you can conclude this support area is lost or gone, and that did never happen to 1750. It held on, and of course, as long as 1750 holds, our dreams and hopes, they're always available for the area of $2,000, which is our first target. So that thing is intact, that is still holding, and the overall action is in place. Now arguably you can make a case for the cup and handle structure as well, that the cup and handle is in deliverance, and of course it's not going to deliver more than the $2,000 target as well. So all the bullishness and everything is all pointing towards 2000. 2000 is not far anymore. From 1750 it was 250. Yeah, but from 1900 it's only $100 away. So we might as well just go and hit that. That is a psychological area, and over there we will require 2 daily closings. We would require 2 daily candles to close above $2,000 with their full body. Only after that I will assume it is captured. And now we can start talking about some really aggressive moves. If we are not able to capture 2000, I would assume that, okay, this is just an attempt to create a local top to go and hit 2000, and then we can start the downward journey. And don't get me wrong, Ethereum is extremely down, because today I was actually watching one of my old videos when I started TikTok. That was not long ago. I'll actually go and try to find that video. I posted that in my Telegram channel. Yeah, this is the video. I hope it just plays so I could show it to you. Share Ethereum update with you. Ethereum did go according to the zones that I had shared. It did go close to 1870. It actually didn't touch 1870. It went up to 1876, I think. So you can see the date. It is 2023, and it's 21st of July, and we are talking about ranges of 1800, 1700, 1900, and it is 2025. It's 8th of May, and today we are again talking about prices like that. So the overall situation of Ethereum is not good to begin with. You're pretty much sitting in the what do you call it, summer prices, or if you want to call it the bear market prices. Yes, it's not $800, it's not $1,200, but these are not exotic prices anyway. These are not the bull run prices that we saw last year. Last year, when the market crashed on 5th of July and 5th of August, go and check the prices. They were like 2200, 2400. We didn't see prices on 1500 or 1400. Stuff like that is happening here because the market is extremely bad. So this attempt towards $2,000 might as well be a local top, and from there, if we are not able to conquer 2000, it can start a downward journey. And of course, we take it piece by piece with confirmations. We cannot just jump and conclude and have that miracle ball and say that, okay, it's 100% going down or 100% going up. We always confirm that the level is captured, and then we pick a direction. So right now, as 1750 is intact, 2000 is what we talk about. We talk about above 2000 once 2000 is captured, and that's Ethereum for you. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.